The Explosion Carnival Band seeks to revolutionize what you think of Carnival 2012. Now, over the past few months, we've been doing several studies trying to identify exactly what it is the masquerader wants, and our goal is to turn this into reality. What we have to offer is a ultra all-inclusive premium band that's Explosion Carnival. We are coming at you with innovative costumes, top-notch security, a premium bar. Essentially, it's going to be an ultra all-inclusive premium event. How does that sound? We are calling Carnival 2012 an adventure. Are you ready to embark on an adventure with Explosion Carnival? Are you ready to explode? Can you handle the heat? Look out for it, Explosion Carnival.